Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned pinto beans, easy method. Drain and rinse 2 15-ounce cans, then sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves garlic in 2 tablespoons oil until soft. Add beans, 1 cup broth, 1 teaspoon cumin, and a half teaspoon chili powder. Simmer 5 to 10 minutes to meld flavors, mash some beans for creaminess, and finish with lime juice and chopped cilantro before serving. I like to layer flavor by toasting cumin and oregano before adding beans, which releases aroma and deepens taste. Stir in a splash of apple cider vinegar or a tablespoon of soy sauce to brighten the pot. For smoky heat, add a chipotle pepper in adobo or a half teaspoon smoked paprika and adjust salt near the end to taste. You can stir in chopped tomatoes or corn for texture and finish with a drizzle of olive oil for silkiness. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing quick kitchen wins. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for recipes and handy when your hands are messy. I placed the product link and other deals in the description, so take a look after the video. Also consider a protective cover for spill-proof reading. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve these pinto beans over rice, with warm tortillas, or as a hearty taco filling topped with queso fresco and diced onions. Leftovers store well in an airtight container for up to 4 days in the fridge or freeze in portions for 3 months. Reheat gently on low heat with a splash of broth, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to refresh the texture. Garnish with cilantro and lime wedges for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.